Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Z here, and in this video today I'm going to be reviewing the Tin Audio T3s. Now before I begin this review, I just wanted to quickly mention that you're going to be seeing a lot less videos on this channel just because my schedule has changed quite a bit. So you're probably going to be seeing a lot less videos on this channel, but I will try to upload at least once a month. My hopes are to do at least once a week, but if I can't do that, then it's going to be at least once a month. Anyway, let's get started with this review. So these are the Tin Audio T3s. They've got a total of 2 drivers just like the T2s, except for these T3s use a branded BA Knowles driver. And for those that don't know, Knowles is an American company and they specialize in professional grade equipment. So these Tin Audio T3s are not that much different than the T2s. You've got that same sound signature on the T3s as on the T2s, so they are a brighter sounding set. Now, if you're not a fan of brighter sounding earphones, then you're not going to like these too much. Now, just like the T2s, these T3s also do have a lot of sibilants. So there's a lot of emphasis on the consonants. So you are going to hear a lot of that s within your tracks. So something that's been improved upon on these T3s is the cable. So the cable that comes with these T3s is a lot better in quality than the cable that comes with the T2s. So just for that, the T3s are worth the extra 10 or 20 bucks over the T2s. So it is a thicker braided cable and it's got the preformed memory ear hangers, something that the T2s did not have. So with the Tin Audio T2s, you had a very flimsy looking braided cable, but with these T3s, you get a nice robust looking braided cable. So something they haven't improved upon with these T3s is the memory foam ear tips that come with. So on the original T2s, you had the slow expanding baby blue colored memory foam ear tips, but with these T3s, you get a very fast expanding memory foam ear tip that I don't particularly like, just because you don't get a lot of time to stick them in your ears when you squeeze up the tip. So the memory foam ear tips with the T3s might be more durable, but at the same time, it is a very fast expanding memory foam, so you don't get a lot of time to stick them in your ears when you squeeze them up. Now when it came to the sound on the T3s, again, it sounded very similar to the sound on the T2s. There wasn't any noticeable difference for me. So again, they are on the brighter sounding side. You do get good instrument separation with a lot of detail, but they are quite piercing with that sibilance. The bass on these is pretty average. It's not overpowering at all. It's at a pretty good level. So if you don't mind that these are a brighter pair and have sibilance and you don't want too much bass, then I think these will be the right pair for you. So the T3s are available on Massdrop for, I believe, $59. So they're not too expensive, but they're not cheap either. Lastly, I almost did forget to mention that these were a review unit. They were sent out to me by Linsoul. So I'll have a link to their web store in the description of this video. So if you wanted to check out some more of their earphones, I'll have a link below. As well as I'll have a link to the Massdrop listing for these T3s as well. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. And if you did, please do leave a like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side. Later, guys.